I'm a mess, my room's a mess, my life's a mess, but here we go. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you guys just came across my video and you're new here, I would love for you guys to support me, subscribe down below, give this video a like, and turn on your post notifications. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive closet clean out. I have so many clothes that I don't even know what to do with them. My closet's full, my drawers are full. I have an extra clothing rack downstairs for my overflow. I've been selling a good amount of stuff on Poshmark. If you guys could see, that's like my little Poshmark pile, but we're doing it. So in this video, I'm going to be going through my closet, either keeping it, selling it, or donating it. And we're really going to downsize because I'm going to be a senior in college. Some stuff I literally haven't worn since high school, and I want to keep it because I'm like, oh, maybe I'll wear it, but I never end up wearing it, but I keep it in hopes that I do wear it, which is doesn't make sense. This set of drawers, and this is my closet, you guys. Yeah, I know. We have all these sweatshirts, all of this hanging stuff, all of this stuff down here. We got shoes, bags, and we just need to go through this and let's do it together. Sorry for that delay, everyone. My camera, I turned it on and it was blinking red. The first thing I'm gonna do is take all of the hanging clothes out of my closet and start with that section, or I'll probably just do keep, sell, donate. Okay, so you're sitting on my bookshelf right now, which is literally right in front of my window, so the lighting is the best. And yes, I'm wearing pants, guys. I like oversized t-shirts, okay? I'm gonna start taking everything out of my closet. This is like stacked. I'm not ready for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do like I'm gonna talk through a few pieces, but then do like a time lapse because there's so much clothing. First things first, I have this Brandy skirt, literally from like when you guys know these skirts. I literally haven't worn it since I think my first day of high school, freshman year. So I'm gonna sell this because it's in really good quality and I feel like someone else could definitely use that. So this is gonna be my sell pile. Okay, this dress I actually got from TJ Maxx. It's a really good like vacation dress, and I feel like white really looks good with a tan, so I'm gonna keep this. Okay, I have these two like flowy dresses. This dress is from Urban Outfitters and I literally have not worn it once, so I'm going to sell it. But then this dress that's in front of it I have worn, so I'm gonna sell this one and keep this one. This is actually new with tags and I was gonna bring it to Europe, but I didn't, so I think I'm gonna keep this, and if I don't wear it this summer, then I'm gonna sell it. Okay, so I just finished going through all of my hanging clothes. This pile is everything I'm selling, and there's so much good stuff in here that's all going to be on my Poshmark. Like, there's misguided stuff, there's flowy pants, there's kimonos, dresses at such a reasonable price. So I'll have my Poshmark link down below. This is everything I'm keeping, but still I'm happy I'm doing this because this stuff would have just been sitting in my closet if I didn't go through it. So I'm going to put all this hanging stuff back that I'm keeping. I'm going to put all of my selling stuff to the side, and we're going to go through the next category. Okay, so I just put all my hanging stuff away. I am, like, literally, this is all my hanging stuff, and, like, before it went all the way back. And then right now I just have everything that I'm going to sell on here. So if you guys see anything you like, make sure you check out my Poshmark. I'll have it down below. I'm going to be listing all this stuff in the next couple of days. Everything will be up by the time this video is uploaded. Don't mind Pluto in the background. Order of business I want to go through is I have these 3 drawers just full of like crop tops and everything, and then these are all like my jean shorts, my skirts, more jeans, and then there I have like jeans and like bottoms, and then I have like some miscellaneous clothes over here. Okay, so I just went through like my shorts and my skirts. These I'm actually going to throw out because this is just like one of my, it literally says Manhattan College, and then this is actually ripped, in the seam. And then these are all of the shorts that I'm gonna be selling. I think the majority of these are from Forever 21 or like Abercrombie that have just outgrown me. So it's gonna be adding to the sell pile. And now I'm going to be going through my shirts. Okay, so I just went through all of like my crop tops and going out stuff, and this is literally everything I'm gonna be selling. I have like velour, like so many little tank tops from Brandy that I've literally had. I have like this shirt from Tiger Mist that I ordered. I don't even know how it's supposed to like go, and I just don't see myself wearing it. I don't know why I ordered it. So it's gonna go up. I have like American Eagle shirts, just a lot of different stuff. So I'm feeling good, but now I'm gonna go eat dinner and then we're gonna get to the next part. Okay, this is actually going a lot quicker than I expected. Right now, what I have left to do is go through all of these sweatshirts that I have up top. I don't really need to get rid of any handbags because these are ones that I use. I have like shoes, and then I have, this is like underwear, socks, and bras and pajamas, but these two drawers I have to go through. So I might do these two drawers and then do my sweatshirts, and then I will be done. Okay, right now I'm gonna go through my sweatshirts, sweatpants, and like sweaters, but I can't really show you because I have to like climb up there, but I'll show you guys like which ones I'm gonna sell and what the aftermath looks like of the ones that I'm gonna keep. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It looks a lot better. These are the ones I'm gonna be actually just giving away because they're more like destination sweatshirts. Like I got ones when I went to like Boston. I got ones when I went to like Cape May, like in like middle school, that like I don't, and like I have some like high school sweatpants still that I like never wear, so those are all gonna be thrown away or donated. So yeah, now we have 2 more things to go through and I'm feeling super productive. Okay, you guys saw how it looked before. This is what my t-shirt drawer looks like. I have like a lot more room. These are all the ones that I'm going to be selling. I have like a few that that's going in my pajama drawer. I'm going to sell that too. But yeah, there's like a Guess shirt in here that I haven't worn, an Equinox shirt, a Stussy shirt, some Adidas, college apparel. Now we're going to tackle this guy. This is literally just like oversized t-shirts, and I have so many of them that I literally wear like a select few of, and there's no need for all of these. Guys, I have to keep this. A lot of stuff, and now we're gonna tackle this drawer. This is like all of my workout stuff, and it's like jam-packed, and we're almost done. Okay, so this is everything from my like athletic drawer that I'm going to be selling, and this is what it looks like now. Like I can actually close this drawer, and guys, I didn't even know I had a pair of blue Wonder Unders, and I literally just found them. Okay, so it's like getting dark out and I don't want the lighting to get weird, but I think tomorrow I'm going to continue this and go through all of my clothes and like my jewelry and stuff. And right now I'm actually gonna do the Chloe Ting challenge. I'm actually documenting that. That'll be up next week. And do my little ab workout, and then I will see you guys tomorrow with the shoes. But I think right now I'm gonna start listing all this stuff on my Poshmark. Again, it'll be linked down below, so it's like I don't have to do everything at once. I'll do it in little increments. So I just realized, along with going through my shoes tomorrow, I also have to go through my pants. But I just listed all of this stuff on Poshmark, and a lot of people are like starting to like it and share it, so that's good. Okay, so it is the next day of my massive closet clean out. I actually woke up and a few things were sold, and my mom, she was on her way to work, so I packaged everything up and I just asked her if she could like slip it into the USPS postal service, like drop off. You just throw like the little packages in there, and it's like outside the post office, and you have to pass it on the way to her office. Anyway, and she was like, yeah, sure. So I think I sold like 4 things, so super happy. All this stuff is still on my Poshmark, but right now I have work at noon and it's like 11 right now, but I think I'm gonna go through my pants because I have like, I don't have too many jeans, but I know I have these 2 pairs of jeans from Urban Outfitters that I literally, they don't even fit me anymore, and they don't fit me with a belt, so I'm definitely gonna sell those. I don't know why I'm out of breath right now, but yeah, we're gonna go through those and then see if we can go through the shoes as well. So these are the 2 jeans I'm gonna be selling. This is just a pair, they're both BDG. This is a pair of flare jeans, and then these are those like two-tone jeans with all these buttons, but they literally both do not fit me. So this is all the stuff I need to list still, and this is all the stuff that's listed. So it's gonna go in the listing pile. But this is what my closet looks like now. This is literally only all the hanging clothes I have, and I had so much more, but this is all the stuff that I actually wear. My sweatshirts and sweaters, because that's what I mostly wear. My shoes, these are just sandals, and then the majority of these are empty. But then those are just flats. I'm gonna try to sell these, my Sperry's that were older, and these flats that I don't really wear anymore, and these sandals, but that's about it. Yeah, that is going to end my massive closet clean out video. Again, if you guys are new here, you just came across my channel, I would love for you guys to stick around, support me. I have new content coming out every single Wednesday and Sunday, and you never want to miss out. And make sure, if you guys do subscribe, that you put on my post notifications so you are notified for when I upload a new video twice a week. So yeah, I will see you all on Wednesday with a new video.